Hello everyone and welcome to Yoga with Rachel. Also welcome to day 5 of our 10-minute morning yoga challenge. I'm so happy that you are here. Today's class is all about self-love and care. Feel free to bring along with you a blanket as well as a pillow. Wear something extra comfy. Feel free to light a candle and let's get started. We begin our practice together in Child's Pose. If Child's Pose is not your thing, feel free to find a comfortable seat or you can lay down on your back. The name of the game is all about self-love and care. So listen to your body and respond. So if you are joining me in Child's Pose, bring the legs together, the feet together, and then walk your hands forward towards the top edge of your mat. Breathe in to come up onto the fingertips, looking forward, and then exhale to begin to paint your yoga mat, sending your hands back and behind you, palms facing towards the sky, releasing your belly towards your thighs, and last to release to or towards the earth is your forehead. Feel free to sway here from side to side, massaging the brow bone. And right away, I invite you to just take a moment to notice how you feel, perhaps noticing the breath and what happens on each inhale and exhale. Perhaps noticing on the inhale the belly connecting to the thighs, and then on the exhale the belly softens. We are here for 3 breath cycles. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Begin to roll and up through your spine nice and slow. Last to reach towards the sky is the crown of your head. Wonderful. We are going to make our way to all fours now. So wherever you are, come to all fours, taking your time. And then when you do arrive there, stack the wrists underneath the shoulders and then the knees go underneath the hip points. We are going to jump into some rounds of cat-cow. On our next breath in, let's reach your tailbone up towards the sky, dropping the belly, opening up through the chest, looking forward. Exhale, rounding through the spine, drawing the belly button towards the spine, chin towards the chest. Breathe in to drop the belly, opening on up through the chest as we look forward. And then exhale to begin to round through the spine, crown of the head reaching towards the earth. Feeling a generous stretch in our upper back body. Breathe in, finding our cow pose. And then exhale, coming back to a cat pose. Really stretching it on out. Breathe in to come back to a tabletop position, neutral spine. Great work. Let's lift and hover our right knee away from the earth. And now let's draw some circles with our right knee. So no worries about what this looks like. Instead, focus in on the feeling, the sensation. And we're doing our best to press into both palms evenly. There's a small micro bend in our elbow as well. You can reverse that circle. Wonderful. Release the right knee back to the earth. Let's lift and hover our left knee away from the earth, drawing some circles with the left knee now. And there's an invitation to keep that breath flowing. Reverse that circle. Noticing what's happening in that left hip socket. And then lowering the left knee back down to the earth. Bring your big toes together, the knees go wide. Leave your hands exactly where they are. On our next breath in, we send our right hand to the sky, look on up. Exhale to thread the needle, sending the right arm underneath the bridge of the left, allowing the side of your head to rest on the earth, the right arm to rest on the earth, and the left elbow to point towards the sky. Perhaps feeling a generous stretch in the upper back body. We are here for 3 breath cycles. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right, let's press into our foundation as we rise up and take it over to the other side. Breathe in to send the left hand to the sky. Look on up. Exhale, threading that needle. Left arm goes underneath the bridge of the right. And then we rest here for 3 breath cycles. And this time you take it away. You follow your own breath. Once you have done 3, we press into all that is touching the earth as we slowly rise on up. Walk your knees underneath the hips, swing the legs off to one side, and make your way to a cross-legged seat on your mat. So one of my favorite things to do to demonstrate love and, care for myself is a self-massage. So let's start off with our neck. Just showing some love to the neck, and then perhaps down to the traps. I carry a lot of tension in my upper back body, so this feels really good here. And then maybe even massaging the jaw as well. I know at night some of us may clench our teeth, so that can create some tension in the jaw. It's actually one of the reasons why I get some headaches first thing in the morning is because of that. And if the feet are feeling sore or stiff, feel free to massage the feet too. The arches, the heels. You can always wash your hands afterwards. Just give yourself permission, to go inward and just notice how you feel, what's happening. Listening to your body. And then once you are satisfied with that, we are going to come to lay on our backs. Have your pillow as well as your blanket close by just in case you would like to use it. All right. So once we are there, let's hug our knees in towards our chest, giving ourselves a lovely hug. You can sway here from side to side to massage through the back body. And then we eventually find stillness. Place your hands on your hamstrings to just scoop that tailbone up. So that way you can really feel your low back connecting to the earth and the belly button hugging down towards the spine. Send your arms from left to right and then bend at your elbows, palms facing towards the sky. Breathe in. Breathe out to melt the knees over towards the right side, keeping the left shoulder blade pinned to the earth as best as possible to create a nice opening in the chest. And this is where you can use your pillow or a folded up blanket. Place it between your legs for more support and ease in this reclined twist. We are here for 3 breath cycles. Once you have done 3, let's come through center and then melt the knees over towards the left side, keeping that right shoulder blade pinned to the earth as best as possible. It is a practice, so thinking kind and loving thoughts to yourself. And we hang out here for 3 breath cycles. Okay, and once you have done 3, we bring the knees back to start. And you can place your pillow behind your head and neck for support. Send your legs out long on your mat. And then send your arms from left to right. Breathe in. Breathe out to give yourself a big hug. Right arm over top of the left. wrapping yourself up in a warm embrace. Breathe in to unravel, sending the arms from left to right. Exhale, giving yourself another hug. Opposite arm over top this time. Breathe in to unravel, and then exhale, bringing the hands to your sides, palms facing towards the sky with the fingertips curling in. Feel free to cover up with a blanket if you are feeling a little chilly. And then permission to just close your eyes, allowing the weight of your body to sink into the earth beneath you. Maybe even just taking a moment to notice how you feel. I invite you to repeat to yourself, either in your head or out loud, I am amazing. I am amazing. Because you most definitely are. Let's take one final loving breath in together through the nose. And then a loving breath out. Feel free to press pause if you would like to stay here a little bit longer. If not, it is all good. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I look forward to seeing you for day number 6 tomorrow. Until then, take good care, everyone. Namaste.